really scared, really frustrated at the beginning because you're like, man, this is my money. I need to get it right the first time. I've been in business officially about 75 days. I'm projected now to make a little bit over $12,000 for this month, which is almost double than last month.
What's the one piece of advice you think would be most valuable for people just starting out? I'm John Margalit, founder of Happy Home Helpers, a seven-figure remote cleaning business, and Rags to Riches University, where I help people like you start a profitable cleaning business using nothing but a phone and a laptop. I'm also a special consultant for Jobber, the leading software for home service businesses. And just so you're confident you're getting expert advice from someone who knows how to grow a cleaning business, here's my total revenue from last year in 2024. I'm processing this report to show you January 1st, 2024 to December 31st, 2024. And you can see that I processed $1,330,668.45 in credit card payments alone.
I was a producer before, and so, troubleshooting is my strong point, but it was for other people.
Just to give people context, Gonzi is a remote cleaning business owner. He's in Los Angeles, California.
I've been in business really about 75 days, but I did start in the second week of December just because I knew it was the holidays. I thought it was not going to be as busy because everybody's going to be busy with Christmas and New Year's. So I decided to use those 2 weeks to kind of just practice and get all the bugs out so that when January 1st hit, I was ready to go. But it was a blessing in disguise because I ended up making money that I did not think I was going to make in those 2 weeks. And it also helped me train, myself in the system that John has incorporated and the process. I officially decided to open my doors to all the products and everything that John had me implement in January 1st. January 1st, the first month, I made about $5,400. February, I made $7,600. And that's when I called John and I was like, hey, bro, like I need help. There's too much work that's coming in that I'm leaving out on the table, too much money because am not able to take on because I just don't have the manpower. What do I do? John and his team kind of helped me, oriented me on the next steps. He said, hey, you need a helping hand because there's no way you're gonna be able to do all this on your own. We went and he scouted VAs for me. We interviewed them. We were able to find an amazing VA, onboarded her, and she's been on since March 1st, and now I'm projected because of her, because I wouldn't have done it without her. I'm projected now to make a little bit over $12,000 for this month, which is almost double than last month. And I didn't think that was gonna happen. I thought she was just gonna come on to help me relieve me from some of the admin work, you could say. But when you put them on and the way John trains them, because John does train them, you realize they're not just there for the admin, they're there for sales too. And they're able to take on calls while I'm visiting sites, and which Intel turns into more revenue. They're also able to hire more cleaners. Keeping cleaners, that is probably the number one thing that's gonna haunt you guys because there's just the demand is so much more than the time you have to hire cleaners. You know, I hired two cleaners last week and I'm already booked for the next 2 weeks completely with those two cleaners. I have to now hire another two cleaners this week so that I can continue to book for this month. Or else I'm gonna have to tell potential clients I don't have any openings until April, which is not something I want to tell anyone.
Hey, real quick, if you're watching this and thinking, I want to start a remote cleaning business, but I want John to mentor me, I do work with a small amount of people directly. My team and I will build and launch your remote cleaning company for you. The website, the marketing, even hiring and training your virtual assistant so you can start making money faster without the guessing and trial and error that most people go through on their own. There's a link in the description to apply. Just a few questions, takes less than 2 minutes, and if it's a fit, my calendar will open up so you can choose a time. All right, let's get back to the video. Let's talk about, I remember, I'll never forget this because you had this battle on your hands with the Google Business Profile. When we first started this journey, Gonzi went to apply for his Google Business Profile and he had made a slight change in his business name. And for, what was it, 2 months?
Yeah.
He was getting denied for his approval. And when we talked, I said, listen, these are the small challenges up front.
And I did. And because of that, my mindset now, every single time I get a hurdle, is first do everything possible to try to figure this out, because it's training me to be an entrepreneur. It's training me to protect my company. It's training me to learn how to actually give this company a long longevity of life, you know?
The only way to survive and to succeed is to be a problem solver on the fly and be able to adapt to all the things that you encounter. On the customer service side, you still need to talk to the customers to get used to it, but they still have to be on the phone and do the reps with the customers to get comfortable at it and to understand the pace, the tone, the delivery, and just how to make people feel comfortable. In general, what's the one piece of advice you think would be most valuable for people just starting out?
My piece of advice is just to understand that there's going to be lots of pitfalls. I've only been in this for about 3 months now, almost 3 months, and I've had lots of falls. But when I get up, it gives me a sense of pride, because that I'm creating for not only myself, for my family, leaving a legacy. You have to have a reason to do this. You can't just want to just jump into this to try it out. Nothing worth having comes easy. Then you'll understand that what you're doing is to liberate you from your 9 to 5, to liberate you from not being able to see your children, being able to have more time with your wife or your significant other. Those are honestly the best rewards that can motivate you to continue to keep getting. It's something you're building, and it belongs 100% to you.
Awesome. Thank you, Gonzi. And on top of all this, Gonzi's wife just had a baby. So the baby came into this world literally like close to week one of him opening his doors, maybe like a few days before. So imagine going through everything he just explained and having a new son come into the world. Thank you for coming on the show. You were fantastic. I really appreciate it.
No problem. Thank you so much for having me, John.
If you want to work with me, if you want me to help you grow your cleaning business, there's two ways that I can help you do that. If you want to get similar results or even have a chance at similar results, you can get the Remote Cleaning CEO Accelerator. This is my operating system. This is my training program, my weekly group coaching calls. You get my complete cleaning business operating system, pricing models, hiring systems, sales scripts, automation workflows, marketing structure, onboarding systems, and this is for people who want clarity, accountability, and a proven blueprint. I think that I have the best blueprint on the market. In fact, I think the results speak for themselves. And then the second way that you can work with me, this is a really special program. It's the Founder Intensive. It's a 90-day private build program. This is hands-on. You get everything in the Remote Cleaning CEO Accelerator, but we work together to build your business correctly from day one. You don't just get the information, you get implementation and precision. So if you're serious, you can apply. It's not on my website. It will be later, but right now I'm only accepting email applications. A lot of people email me from the show, or I think maybe you find me on YouTube or find me on TikTok or Instagram. If you have any questions or you'd like to apply, please send me an email. It's jon@johnmargalite.com. There's no H. It's just jon@johnmargalite.com.